Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful red butterfly in a very simple way. You can draw, I can draw because this is so simple. While we draw, we have this little cute story for your entertainment. Once upon a time, there was a little red butterfly who loved selfies, but every time she tried to pose, she said, "Oops, my wings need more color." So she flew around looking for an artist who could make her shine. And guess what? She landed right on your paper. Oh, so grab your pencil and your favorite red color. Let's give this butterfly wings. She will be proud to show off. Hmm. And tada! Look at your red butterfly, guys. So pretty, so bright, and full of love. Now she's ready to flutter happily across your drawing page. If this butterfly made you smile, don't forget to like the video and comment red butterfly. I love it. Subscribe for more easy drawings and fun little stories. And remember, every color has a magic, and every drawing can fly when you add your heart. See you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep learning. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye.